Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on your T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro. And to do this you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you in a previous video on how to download it. Now let's find the files that we want to pack, and mine are located right here. Select each of the file, click on this plus button. Right here you'll be able to change any archiving options, and there's lots of them. You can experiment with any, but I'm just gonna pick a new name. So here let's call it picture, keep it as a RAR file and click on OK. And right here we've just created our first RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.